Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So in this video, before I tell you what we're gonna learn, let's take a look at this picture. Okay, dekat sini ada gambar gajah. Okay, ada gambar apa lagi ya? Kebanyakan gajah lah, gajah, zebra. So in this topic, we actually want to think about nature. Okay, bila kita cakap nature, nature adalah environment yang ada penghuninya. Penghuninya bukan sahaja manusia, but we have other organisms as well, such as animals, and don't forget the plants. Okay, the plants are also organisms. So, just imagine kan, yang kamu nampak ini adalah the nature usually in Africa. Let's say if this nature stays like this forever. So, nothing ever happens. Kamu tahu climate change kan? Climate change di mana antara kesannya kepada kita sekarang, cuaca makin panas. Cuaca semakin tidak dapat diramal. Sepatutnya musim tengkujuh hujung tahun, sekarang ni awal tahun pun sudah start hujan lebat, start banjir. So that is one of the effect of climate change lah. But just imagine another scenario, maybe in another alternate universe, where the nature is perfect. Nothing happened, no changes, no new threats, just perfect genetic stability forever. Jadi realitinya selalu berubah. So basically, when we try to imagine that nature, that perfect simulation of nature, this is what we call as Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. So that's what we're going to learn today. Open your bio notes to page 98. 98. So this perfect simulation of nature is an idea comes from Hardy and Weinberg. So these are the two scientists. When we talk about Hardy-Weinberg, it is just a model. Okay, it is just a model that is too perfect, which is impossible to happen. Kenapa? Sebab dalam Hardy-Weinberg, dia ada 5 assumption. The assumptions are, the first one, large population size. Second, random mating. The third one, no mutation. And the fourth one, no migration. And the last one, no natural selection. But if you think about it, to maintain a large population, is that possible? Susah. Macam mana kalau tiba-tiba ada natural disaster, gempa bumi ke, tsunami ke? Is it possible to maintain large population? No, it is not. Random mating. When we talk about random mating, maksudnya semua individu di tempat itu mempunyai peluang yang sama untuk berjumpa partner dia lah. Adakah itu possible? Tidak. Sebab semua individu ada preference masing-masing. Macam kita manusia, mungkin kamu, kalau kamu perempuan, kamu suka lelaki yang tinggi-tinggi. Kalau kamu lelaki, mungkin kamu suka perempuan yang lemah lembut. So, masing-masing ada preference. So, it is very impossible to maintain random mating. Okay, itu yang kedua. Ketiga, no mutation. Nanti kita akan belajar lagi chapter 7 tentang mutasi. Okay, basically mutation is when your DNA mutate. Something's wrong with your DNA. It can be in your chromosome or in your genes. Chapter 7 nanti kita belajar. So, can you stop your DNA from making mistakes? I don't think so. That's why no mutation. It is not possible to do that. Migration. So when we look at animal or even human, can you stop the animals and humans from migrating out or in? No, it's not possible. So animal akan sentiasa buat migrasi. Jadi in this case pun mustahil untuk kita kekalkan tiada pergerakan keluar dan masuk satu tempat. Dan last kali, no natural selection. When we talk about natural selection, bermaksud environment, nature kan? Environment favor an individual that has higher chance to survive. For example, in COVID-19 kan, ramai yang terkorban, betul? So, in that case, kalau kebetulan kita ada genetik yang mempertahankan diri kita daripada virus COVID-19, that means that is natural selection. Okay, natural selection. The nature select you, so you are safe from COVID-19, but not to the other individuals. Can you get it? So that's natural selection. We cannot control it because that's nature. Jadi, bila kita tahu Hardy-Weinberg Law ini sebenarnya cuma asas untuk kita belajar genetik. It is just a simulation of nature. Too perfect. But it's not happening. Kenapa kita belajar? Sebab ini kita akan guna sebagai best model. Kita akan guna model ni untuk banding dengan reality. Sebab bila kita membuat perbandingan, kita kena ada model yang too perfect. Gitulah. Boleh? So, untuk part ini, you have to remember just these 5. Okay, that's all for Hardy-Weinberg Law. I hope you understand. It is just a model, a basic model to learn about genetics, but that's not the reality. That's all from me. I will teach you how to calculate the genotype and allele frequency on the next video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!